Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all po. Tignan natin ang mga mensahe ninyo for today. For the week pala, victory, Gemini, napakaganda. Victory in some endeavor. Meron kayo ditong endeavor na pagtatagumpayan, Finally, ang pagtsatsaga ninyo, pagsisikap ninyo ay mapapalitan na ng tagumpay, Finally, magbubunga na ang inyong pinaghirapan and you are going to claim your victory. We have flute, disappointment in a friend or lover. Ayan, so may disappointment na mararamdaman. Huwag nyo nang indahin yan, Huwag nyo nang masyadong pansinin kasi hindi rin naman makakatulong sa inyong sitwasyon nyo ng pagiging disappointed ninyo. Isipin nyo na lang, na there are reasons talaga, there are valid reasons for everything na nangyayari sa buhay natin. So, maaring meron din itong dahilan din, May valid reason din ito si friend ninyo or si lover ninyo kung bakit maaring na-disappoint nila kayo, We have owl, good advice from a wise person. Ayan, you will be receiving a good advice from a person na marami na din pinagdaanan sa buhay, marami na din experiences, marami na din wisdom na naipon ito sa buhay niya. Sa sarili niya, So, what else? For Gemini, we have third wheel. Gemini, meron ditong umiepal sa inyong sitwasyon. Maaring this could be in a love and romantic relationship, Maaring meron ditong nagfe-flirt, sa person ninyo. Maaring ganon ang ganap. Maaring meron ditong nagtatry na isabotahin ang inyong relationship. Maaring meron ditong umientra, umiepal sa inyong person. Maaring may nang seduce dito sa inyong person. Maaring ganon. This is also not going to resonate with everyone, Gemini, okay? So just take as it resonates. Posible din naman, na there is someone na getting in between you and the friend, Maaring meron din tao dito na alam mo yun, balak sirain ang inyong magandang pagkakaibigan, ng inyong kaibigan at kayo. Maaring ganon ang ganap dito for some of you. So we have adventure, and so some of you are going to explore, other avenues, other things, other places. Maaring meron travel dito na nagagawin si Gemini, Susubukan ninyo puntahan ng mga lugar na hindi pa ninyo siguro napuntahan, Something new for you. Ay maaring yun ang gagawin ninyo sa ngayon, This, you are going to embark on an adventure. Commitment. Ayan. So, meron ditong mga kontrata, legal documents siguro na pipirmahan ng iba sa inyo dito, Gemini. Maaring maaring kontrata ng pagpapakasal, Maaring marriage contract yan. Maaring kontrata ng lease, ng kotse, ng lugar, ng condo, ng bahay, Maaari din na kontrata yan ng business partnership, it could be anything. What else for Gemini? We have Ace of Pentacles, beautiful energy. This is a new beginning energy in terms of your career, of your money, finances. Kaya napakaganda nito. So, magkakaroon dito ng magandang pagbabago, ang inyong pangkaperahang aspeto. Maaring ito na yon na hinihintay ninyo sigurong financial breakthrough, for some of you. Kasi, it could come from different sources, yung perang parating sa inyo dito. It could be a windfall, it could be a gift, it could be a win, it could be from different sources na perang ito na maaring dumating sa inyo. For others of you, this could be financial opportunities then. So, new trabaho, new negosyo, new career, maaring gano'n na kung saan yun ang magdadala sa inyo ng prosperity and abundance, no? We have 8 of Wands, ayan, so opportunities talaga, maraming opportunities talaga ang parating dito, so napakaganda kasi it's still related to the Ace of Pentacles energy, yung mga opportunities na to, pagkaperahan ninyo ito, mga opportunities ito na maghahatid talaga sa inyo ng financial comfort, no, financial freedom, prosperity and abundance, yung mga ganon. This could also be travel energy din, no? Meron tayong adventure card dyan. And this is also a travel energy. So, definitely, ang ibig sa inyo is going to embark on a travel, no? That could be international travel. That could also be possible na local travel lang yan. But you are going to do some kind of an adventure dito, no? For some of you. Kaya good luck po at mag-iingat kayo. We have 9 of Cups. Holy moly, napakaganda ng mga energies ninyo dito, Gemini. Kasi si 9 of Cups, this is about happiness. No? This is about happiness. This is about fulfillment. This is about wish fulfillment. Kaya magiging masayang-masaya kayo. Iba yung saya, lalim na saya ang mararamdaman ng iba sa inyo dito, no? Meron na kayong wish dito na magka-come to fruition. Meron kayong wish na magma-manifest na sa buhay ninyo. And then also, this is about falling in love then, no? This is really also a beautiful time for those singles, no? Kasi maaaring meron ditong mabuo na new love connection, no, for some of you Gemini. So good luck. That's all I have for you for the week. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.